Welcome to the Photoshop Guides. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of photo manipulation, where imagination meets editing. I'll show you how to create surreal edits and creative composites step by step. Even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to follow along. First, let's set up our base. I'll start with a blank canvas and bring in a dramatic sky image as the background. This sky will act as the stage for our surreal scene. Always choose a high-resolution image so your composite looks sharp and professional. Next, we'll add our subject. I'm dragging in a portrait and removing the background using Photoshop's Select Subject and Refine Mask tools. Once the subject is cleanly cut out, I'll position them right in the center of the sky. Notice how layers let us control the subject and background separately. This is the foundation of any creative composite. Here's where the fun begins. To create a surreal effect, I'll duplicate the subject and distort the copy slightly. Using a layer mask, I can blend the duplicate to look dreamlike. Now, let's introduce extra elements, like a floating moon and some birds. Each object goes on its own layer, so we can adjust them freely. The key is balance. Add just enough to make the scene magical without overcrowding it. To make everything feel like one picture, blending is essential. I'll add adjustment layers, hue and saturation to tone the subject, and color balance to match the overall mood with the sky. A gradient map gives the entire composition a cinematic color grade. Notice how all the pieces now share the same atmosphere. This is what transforms random images into one seamless composite. For the finishing touches, I'll paint soft shadows under the subject to ground them in the scene. Then, using a soft brush with a light color, I'll create a glow effect around the moon to make it pop. Finally, I'll sharpen key details like the eyes and main edges so the image feels crisp. And that's it, your first surreal photo manipulation. We combined different images, blended them seamlessly, and added creative effects to build something out of imagination. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe for more Photoshop tips, and tell me in the comments what kind of composites you'd like to see next.